In the history of the people of Enugu, otherwise known as Kogokoro Woman. We have quality children that are in diaspora, they are not within Nigeria. And then we have other quality citizens of Igbeze North that are called Igbeze North United Forum for Development. The diasporans are led by High Chief Roland Ayob Ezomog. Then the other group, Igbeze United Forum for Development, led by High Chief Festus Oshaba, Ferrotex. Then these groups are united in one to progress, to further the progress in Igbeze North through peace, unity, development, and cultural integration. Today's event has to do with a cultural carnival. Now they are about to start a marathon, a warm-up exercise. They do a marathon fitness exercise, kind of. There will be awards to be won on that. Then later in the day, we will gather at the stadium for a cultural fiesta, for a cultural carnival that will be unifying, alluring, you understand, showcasing the people of Enugu to the wider world, you understand, trying to make peace, integration, and then make Enugu a cultural attraction in the near future, so that even people from outside Nigeria and within Nigeria, we know that every 2nd of January, either annually or biannually, they will troop into Enugu to enjoy themselves and unwind. Okay. You understand? In fact, today is the apex of celebration of New Year and Christmas.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm Austin Atta. I am media personnel and a desk officer for the event. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Bless you. Good with the copper.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Your name? What I do for you?
Humble Chief Eusebius Ekere.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
What is happening today? Why are we here?
Well, today we're doing Ezike Day. And we're starting with a marathon race to create awareness so that people will know that it's good to do exercise. We have a lot of high personalities there that want to be like a role model for people to know that if these people can jog, they can also jog. It's about keeping fit. We have a price tag on it, but it's not just about the money. But it's about people knowing that it's good for them to exercise their body. And after that, we're going to go into Carnival when we plan to showcase the Enugu culture. So we have like 36 villages, and all of them are going to be represented by two masquerades.
That's a good one. That's a good one. So, please, what is your position in the organization of this tournament? What position are you occupying, sir?
Well, Ume's Koba in Diaspora is doing this event in collaboration with Igbeze North United Forum. I'm the PRO for Ume's Koba in Diaspora and the secretary in the board of trustees of the Enugu United Forum. So I'm kind of like wearing two hats. Yeah.
Two feathers.
Yeah.
One cap.
Yeah.
That's a good one, sir.
Thank you.
To whom much is given, much is expected.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Okay.
We'll meet you next time.
Okay.
Yeah, let's talk. Meet you, sir. Please. What's your name?
Okay. My name is Chief Dr. Demian Chukwurote Odo, JP. Wow. Messiah Nasuka. Odozo Bodo one of Ikpega. Wow. Orio Cheto one of Osoka. Wow. Thank you.
That's a good one. Nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, we have talked with the PRO of this event, and he has told us so many things piled together for the day. What is your contribution in the progress of this event, sir?
Okay, so far so good. I'm the treasurer of the organizers. The
boss is Freedom.
Yes. Treasurer of Igbeze North United People's Forum.
Yes.
For betterment of Enugu. Yes. And today is our marathon. That is Carnival.
So from here to the Carnival proper.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Hope to meet you there.
Thank you.
Very well.
Wow. Very well.
Yes. Welcome. I for go for this marathon.
Yes. Chief Roland Ayo, President General, Umenugu Koba in Diaspora. Yes.
Welcome, sir. It's okay, your contribution at this event. Anyway, two events today: the marathon, the carnival.
My contribution is the President in the Diaspora, in partnership with Igbeze North United Forum, who Ferrotes, our presidents. So I together Jikota Kon. So now you may Basa Marathon, may Basa Carnival. You need to transform the mindset of our people. Ibukotendo na ejuka na ndo na gomo together. Kama no nwere ihe dị iche no ofu human being ka anyị chabu. A na-eme cultural carnival na Abuja na-eme na Lagos. Mmanwụ ndị ụka na-abịa, mmanwụ ndị omenala na-abịa. So all ha ka anyị chọkwa ka anyị were the opportunity reunite everybody together. Last time I kwesịrị ime abịa nwee a kind of trauma na this land for insecurity. So the thing about civilize are so many things. And I say now, if you are and they have no venue to equal people that now they will go peace now this land. Let everybody be coming home with good faith. And the former can name nobody for John. And I believe that through the media of this carnival, a lot of things behind my Abatan at this land. Or I am about proposal of this thing.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
We are from 3D Media event and coverage.
Thank you.
We are streaming this event live so that what you have in mind, you achieve it. Because so many persons will not be here. Wherever they are.
So you go shell Enugu 2025. The marathon is going down. dead. Online guys so far what it is. Tomorrow so far what it is. Enzo Moto so far what also. Mana pasado kwa ni andi banyo. E wara kwa nwanyi ne ba na gba marathon. Olaga the marathon is going down. Not in my mouth. See my people. Yes, so nda bunde na gba they go. Uchena add what video can I have the guys. We're gonna work in now. The one the second person following Uchena. Yes. Uchena is they go.
Can you yes?
Yes, I think we have the best anywhere now. Anywhere.
Where are they from? Build.
Yeah. Uchena Mabata. Can I forget brother the second person? Chedonye. Chinedu Apuguja. Eweleke. See my people lo. Ewo.
Uchena is
2025. 2025. The marathon. Done there.
Arrival of the third runner.
Oh, Gilitu di Gwebike.
Very fit.
Yes, so it's an attract man. I know what I'm going to do.
Don't want I know they are around now. No.
Government fees. So, Otuwande, you're welcome. Otuwande, oh yeah, but also to but can you try? By strength.
So, Kadam Bada.
Or to Nono.
Ronald is some now by my boss. I get the woman who put out some now, but better than some now.
Good morning. Yeah, on behalf of Ndenu Gezike, in reference to Women's Cover in Diaspora and Igweze North United Forum, now you're not highly elated today, especially those ones also the Naboso. The purpose of this marathon, I've also some and a winner now. Novel. All in the buying that exercise. Then it's no also I think now carry mama if the caliber of people Barossa today. You have no head like a role model that if they can do it, you can also do it. You know, some of them for lack of exercise. So the message is what we're trying to pass to people. We still have another event coming up today, so we need time to go and get ready and come back. I'm going to give the result of what happened today. We started this marathon race from AD filling station along Nsukka Road to the stadium here, the venue Mbeji came here today. One of the criteria is more than 40 years old to participate. So today I'm going to confirm the results. Now the first position is Uchenna Ojobo. Uchenna, can you raise up your hand? Uchenna Ojobo, the 42 years. Mabu from Umeda now. Yeah. And no Andrew with speed. So Uchenna, congratulations, very well. Then the second position, Abuguja, right? Yeah. Chinedu Abuguja bo onye Umeda.
Go to court.
44 years. Okay, the third position.
Yeah, third.
No. Second. Third position, no. Obiwanne Onyeke. No. Obili Jude.
Obiwanne fourth.
Igor Ukilaka. One good thing about our third position, but not 54 years old. So another lesson we can continue the 54 years. But we don't like 40, I'm also 54. Maybe so kind of will age excuse. So that one I'm talking to myself. One at the next here, then we say them when came I'm not to you so win or something. So thank you. So for fourth position, yay! Onyo Brute, Obiwanne Onyeke. Obiwanne Onyeke, Ojo Obrute, man, 41 years old.
But the prize I don't know.
It's not all about money. I am like what will happen, you know. Then fifth position, we are so proud to say that one of the members of the board of trustees that participated came fifth.
Olaye.
I have the board of trustees. You have left 50 when you have. But I've got the trustee and I'm 50. So now without that, I can't do
I'm making it known because of we have some media coverage here. So yeah, this sixth position will be. As well, so we're very proud.
50 something. Have the bar first. 54 years in bar thought.
Okay, yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming there. Greetings to some of the people. I'm Kayachi, their pictures in a billboard very soon as good role models. You know, and let me say, I'll come the line in case you know about the also, but I will just go with the role. Guys, what Emeka Kusubanachino no Salma, but it's okay. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. So I declare somebody like Ezomogo. Ezomogo has been the president of Women's Club in Diaspora and vice president of Enugu Ezike United Forum. And I forgot, I don't have to say it, that he's a leader that leads by example. He came out. He was one of the first people that came out of that place. So Ezomogo, we're very grateful.
Thank you.
Another person, Chirote Messiah, is a member of the board of trustees as well. So, honor the no lawyer, so you know, he can do it. He left everything on a minute.
Yeah, we're going to work for Dr. Megesoro.
Oyina Tumba. Because Oyi is a member of the board of trustees as well. My by till this morning, I'll be at 6 o'clock. We'll be here by Maki here the guy before not better than Banaboso, and he still started and finished. You know, so it's all about role model. It's all about do something. It's all about telling people that age does not stop you from doing sports, or your status in the society does not stop you from doing sports. So as we go today, we are all still ambassador of this thing named today. Talk to people about doing exercise because it's good for them. You know, so we thank everybody for being present today. I would have liked to call everybody's name, but now we have a limited time for people to go home and come back. And a special congratulations to people like me too that is not wrong. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you everybody.
Especially in the board of trustees. Happy people where Alpha. I had on the board of trustees. I was in my forgiver.
Okay. PRO Women's Club in Diaspora and the member and the board of trustee member of Enugu Ezike United.
Known as who?
Okay, well. Known as okay, well. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, we're so happy for everybody that's here.
I know when I used to, but still the time. There were about this marathon. Probably Jabonyo from there, not the beast. So I know everybody. Then I see I was saying I learn with. But something I became everlasting something. This kind of behind the menu and Marona for a very long time. But no, because of insecurity, they are disorganized in our plan. But now from time to time, once in 2 years, Now I got to make this carnival. I will make the opportunity now unite under our government and I need to have a human being. Oh, you can if before I know Jacob and I go most of the night, Jacob only move. But I actually that mindset that they make woman and child. I actually if Marian I go my Oman I want and child not you believe money fee. My actually friend a Juka. Oman or one inch, no book I will believe no one band in made. So here I came today, put within an Agoma, London Juka. The cultural dance, the man in Juka, Mohila had that together. You can find my little the olden days. Now the mindset to change entirely. Dutch and make carnival under some countries. Now the Shiwata countries do their cultural something. They get that place in the so when some people that will make kind of voice note. You put them to Canada Goma. But let that mindset change. I need to have a human being. Why the high G1 I know now the highest 120 years. Many body 120 years of clear. The mother the shock of the season one now. So my need to have work to food. For those good will in the band they will take me to teach and educate skin and more bread than banana. Yeah, I'm some common
and 1, 2, take it. The last one. Thank you.
Yeah, good there.
Hello?
Okangane nyongo, okangane medical boshi. Okangane move for Gucci. They are not here to compete. They are here to
our crème de la crème. The barricade, you in the corner, Yaligan, in Karimamo, Yaligan, the barricade. Unuja hit the other way. The barricade have to go yoga. Oh, when they were yes. You're welcome. Step out of quick cracker now. You're welcome. Hey, Clemunu. Welcome, sir. Yes. Along. Thank you. God bless you. Ego Amaka and Kembo. Thank you very much. Ego Amaka, thank you. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, a man, why not talk back? I video the competition that came in with this thing. So, joy. But the camera, please. Area and otherwise. Man around here. Unu amagoku unu sheme unu bido kwadore. By the time I am done and the judges are ready, they will read out to us. to come. But we start the function beforehand so that the competitors can compete and go. I ain't people go until all of them arrive. Time and pass wait for no man. Also you will change if not of yours. So because and Leon the important thing to know thank you very much. God bless you. Adeske, if you are ready, I am ready. Adeske, if you are ready, I am ready. We need attention, sir. We may want attention, please, sir. As a form of winning, before the competition starts properly, I want to introduce to you a worldwide. Let me thank you very much.
Enugu Ezike, CEO, Quinda Entertainment Limited. Abu Moni Mufu, Abu Munu, me ihe na-ementa juru m ezigbo ehọ ma ọ nọbụ ihe obi nwanne ihe na-ekpokọta ụmụnne nche ọnụ ihe gara aga ngejebere ya asọ ha ile anya ndị na-agba mbọ ememe ya bụ ihe bụrụ ihe na-aga n'iru naanị ma asụ unu ma jee anya na amashi DJ let's go. And the
Yeah.
Escobar no mbeni. Escobar kwenu. Kwese nike o. Aga Escobar ekilegu. Ayekile ndị igwe. Ayekile ndị ọha Escobar. Ayekile ndị ụmụ Escobar in the diaspora. Kile ndị Igweze North Forum for Development. Kile ọha bịara mbeni. Kile nwoke kile nwanyị. Admekwu Mobo Chief Ebel Idoko Nekune Committee, the local organizing committee for this event. I Nasina in criteria. Musoro Ajeme Yena Neme Musoro Mobo Ma Yarembendi register. My tag of number Bajama akpo number baby live number 1 or 2 Ida Rose go Muna fugo ne ma bia mbe ne da mashi meta ima de mago ya bu na each masquerade and we go more than 5 minutes kili ge me washi sino obata gata be gume fu na nasko ogo o we ndi na maki ambe ne ya bu ndo tim no mbe ne ya bu iguro oge ele heriganya Yabo, Oyo de Nukadome, Asik Balire, Obuni Nora Yachi, Agbali Biabni Winne, no very high in Acho, half people with the Yabia, 5 minutes to know for you, O Mezuri. I know, thank you very much. I can also know the data I can find here, or the number from 1 to as many as possible.
Eze Chitoke Abiama, Chukwu nke Ezikoba, Chukwu nke Igbeze North. Anyị na-asị ka anya maka mmemme nta ahụ. Anyị bụ ụdị mmemme chi n'aka. Ebumnuche ụmụ anyị bụ nke omenala anyị, kọlchọ anyị, ma ọ bụ na-anwụrụ anwụ. Anyị gara obi mmemme kọlchọ anyị ọmụ bụ na-anwụrụ anwụ. Sugochire na anyị na-eme ihe egwuregwu ndị ọcha na-eme, obodo ọzọ na-eme, anyị ede amụta, ma anyị nke anyị na-anyị mụta na-adịghị abụ anyị tekiri mee ihe abụla ihe na-echere maka omenala Enugu Ezikenye, ọba ego, ọba afọ, ọba ije nnukwu ya abụla abụla kuchimonye ọmụgwọ maji kwuru maji ka ozugbo na ihe ha je ka eri menye tọọji ga-emanya ihe abụla ya na-eri ma gị bụ Chineke eri otuto ma bika ede nwa ahụ ri si na Kristi dị nwe n'anya n'aha na.
Thank you very much. And Akwada came back. Thank you.
Wale ekele ụmụntakịrị dọgaghị n'ọbene gara osinu n'ike gara sonu na ihe anyị ji dabịa n'bene nta bụ egwuregwu. Anyị na-agba ọka Enugu Ezikenye for the past months and years.
but as God may have it, then washa dike ketuku na tell this obodo oyibo then this Abuja tell this Lagos galata olukumanji of second kana yosuru ike asina o ka en ko kepepu ala ewishi wala ewishi a me ko ha mata no we na bono do so metal snack owa abia no go ishi ka we ma dey pro o we dem go so ba no be dey na ma ro yo ma ho o no bi o so ba dey me no we dey go ishi but na bi o ba dey me na ye me je me we ya ku sa na because and my lulu that's why I can do it yeah the opening remark my vice from the mama alone I don't know it doesn't not to win it doesn't not to go now make the eldest person of this land Onyishi English. Ngana sina mefugo kele ejenie ka o megboro mememie na ikwado tamobrio de mishi na masini shika kebido ngane kele under traditional rulers Igbeze North na-asọ okunu chiri mmadụ kwuru mmadụ ma mụbụla egbula oge elekụlọ ha ile ha bụ President General Umenugwe Skoba in diaspora Chief Roland Ayok known as Ezomogo Enugwe ọ bụ eziokwu na our president in Igbeze North United Forum arụtụmama a lot of things but na ụlọ ja enwe obere input ọ bụ na anyị le a na-echeta na o nwere mgbe Enugu Ezike ga-emeri desert ma o nwere ndị mmeghere na the end of the day with chukwu ya bụ eluigwe n'igwe kere eluigwe na ala si na Enugu Ezike abụkọ desert anyị le ha na latakọma aba gege na amasị ekene dịrị chukwu onwe omemgba ọ bụ elata Krismas odobe n'ime ụlọ ọha na-eso ụmụntakịrị ya ga-echekume n'obuti ego wee ndị ọzọ lata nri abatala ego ihe ọma ile ha megoro bụrụ ihe Chineke tinyere aka na ọrụ ọgụ today kama ibe anya ha na-eme today na-emego megide but na-emegbori ya insecurity machi aka na this land anyị repetere gị mana mgbatịkwu nyere aka ihe ile ha bụ ọjọọ ndị prịnsịpal anọrọ anyị na-ere gboro aka kpolekanye ọha ile ha alụ ọha ile ha alụ mama together na amasị unu na this caliber na by grace of God ma ọ kwụsịkọ some of us ikwu ishika na ọ bụ eziokwu na o nwere ndị kwugoro okwu n'aka n'ịba n'ogbe ihe kwesịrị okpete n'ụka na n'ime obodo but ihe ọmụ ga-ama ihe old days n'ọbụ emaghị ọfụ anyị chọrọ unite ndị ụka na ndị ime obodo ma ha ile ha ma na anyị ile ha bụ one ihe kwetele na ọbịa bụ ibelivru as far as n'ijighị eme ihe ọjọọ na ọ bụ ihe bụ ebumnuche ekere eluigwe na ala bi na-eme ọ bụ ihe bi na-ekwu ino ọ bụ na ụlọ ka bi na-eje ekwe ọnụdụ omenala bi na-ekwe sọfan ijighị emegbu mmadụ ma ga-ejighị achọ n'ihi ewofu ndụ ya ohi na-eme ma ha bụ ha bụ ikpete na ha na-edebe mechire ike sọsie chukwu na-asọ bụ owe ejem ihe ọjọọ so mgbe m na-arịọ ha ibe ha ma anyị maa n'ụwa ihe dịka ndụ ka na ndị ime obodo anyị ga-anọ na civilized world a na-eje kaniva na Abuja eje kaniva na Lagos ma ndụ ka na-abịa ma ndị ime obodo ndị omenala na-abịa so my blue with that mindset. Never very agile with the blossoms is not being the best year. Tanu neme omen and the best year. Tanu ne tuka the best year. Ile. Number shift mare ne o kote na aga bi ojo. Water as one name. As far as new money, but the Mario could then or in a menabia. My blah I've tired and so my nothing other many other people. Oh, yeah, behind our job. My eradicating of this land. Mohila Hama, learn a government in Juga, no Hila woman. And then we have much to say because of our time. I am and remember everybody.
I'm Barrister Ginsky Onyeke. I'm one of the trustees of West United and Forum for Development. My job here this afternoon is very simple. I am to present the address of the chairman/president. It is my pleasure to welcome you to the second edition of the Ezike Cultural Carnival. Tag Ezike Day 2025. It may interest us to know that this is the second time I gather for this type of festival. That is why this was tagged the second carnival. The inaugural celebration of this event took place in 2022. It was the first of its kind in our senatorial zone. Our rich cultural heritage was beamed to the world audience for the first time through the print and electronic media. And today, many communities in the senatorial zone have adopted the concept. Research scholars have shown renewed interest in our socio-cultural identity through positive publications and the empowerment derivatives in the program have added vigor to our robust community economy. Today we gather to celebrate. Yeah. My voice. That marathon race underscored our support for sports and healthy lifestyle amongst our people. We are committed to the advancement of diverse developmental variables, including good healthcare, education, agriculture, and above all, security. We have collaborated with our state and local governments towards achieving some of these goals. We hope this partnership will endure in the foreseeable future as we strive to contribute our quota in ensuring the socio-economic development of Enugu in general. We acknowledge the financial contributions of members of these two great associations, Umwezi Koba in Diaspora and the West United Forum for Development, which made the hosting of this year's event possible. It should be noted that it was these same associations that partnered with the government and key stakeholders in restoring peace when normalcy was fractured in our community a few months ago. The casualties of those that days were regrettable, and we ask that their souls rest in peace. We wish to offer our sincerest condolences to families and loved ones of the victims, with the authorities at addressing the underlying issues, strengthen our bonds, and create a peaceful environment for living with. Today, we are hosting varied entertainment competitions featuring our iconic masquerades and charity activities that will touch the lives of Enugu. We are grateful to our traditional and religious institutions, sponsors, partners, and volunteers who have worked tirelessly to make this event a success. Your contributions have not gone unnoticed, and we appreciate your commitment to promoting our cultural heritage. We owe a debt of gratitude to our local government chairman and his staff for their support and hospitality. We are happy with the positive steps of this administration in the grassroots development. All our guests, we say thank you for joining us. We invite you to immerse yourself in our culture, enjoy the festivities, and take away memories that will last a lifetime. Let us come together to celebrate our spirit, our unity, and progress. Let the Cultural Carnival be a catalyst for growth, development, and renewed sense of purpose. Thank you, and may the spirit of Escobar guide us all in Jesus' name.
Eka Ushiren. Eka Darren, after this marathon, ability to obey. Thank you very much, gentlemen and ladies. Thank you. We are now going to compete. It has been declared the carnival is to begin. The competition is to begin. Biko LOC, if you are ready. Thank you very much. Thank you, Malike. Isamba Cultural. And Isamba Nakwado Obia. And Agbeja Mushe, Unukwadore. We are going to go in succession. And Yaha you Odogu Ezedowere. Odogu Ezedowere, Unu Yere Kanapia. Ondo Odogu Kwadore, Ondo Zobu, Ugumkwa Igbele, Ugumkwa Igbele, Ugumkwa Kwadore, Ojubi Mufu, Kwadore too. After you have done enough that competition, not very vital. Organize entrepreneurship in this carnival, every point in time. And we will microphone and the PRO of Women with Cover in that program. Hi, Chief. Okay, my thank you. AKA Chomsky. Let's go ahead, let's go moving so that we can keep moving. And I observe all the protocols. Hold on to the candidate tree. The thing with the Clemuno or highly legal land. Also, time for creating awareness and by the daily exercise. When we go to the year, Mabu no Moringo, Ben the Barros or Jinamaras or no Kaimar, no exercise number. The winner of the Osobo, Uchenna Ojobo, Bodye Omeda, man 42 years old. So the age of 42 years, I can do marathon like this, all of us can do it. The second position, Chinedu Abubuja, from Omeda to man of 44 years. Third position, Ogili Jude from Igogoro, Lekakana, Kaitmania, Lekamana, 53 years old. 53 years old. Yeah. Fourth position, Obiwane Ojeke from Obrute, 41 years old. Fifth position, Olaika from Aji. Sixth position, the big from Obrute. Seventh position, Emeka Ukweze. The first
position, they go with the yeah, first position. Uchenna Ojobo, you go take with 300,000 naira for being the first. The second position, Chinedu Abukuja from Umeda, go take with 200,000. The third position, Ogili Jude from Igogoro. No. Uchenna Ojobo. Okay, Ogili Jude from Igogoro, go take with 150,000. Then from a fourth position, one day Olaika Ebeka Ukweze, Chukwurote from Ibega, Emeka Allison, and Ronald Dayogo. Hey, they came with 100,000 each. Thank you.
Thank you very much. This one cultural dance. I want to let you know, Nobona Koga, Mega Danigum, next time may expire, and you will scourge you. This is the beginning of the day. Many times for the flag ahead. Only time for the flag ahead. If you don't have your flag, no problem. I am going to flag who go in a canopy. Only that you don't flag who. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. And the panel of judges are already marking. Thank you very much. Starting from the entry behavior to the greetings, to performance, and all that. Thank you very much. Wait. Do you know what? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yes, thank you. That is amazing. I welcome Dr. Cyprian Okoro, Director of Finance Affairs, Telugu. I welcome the Chairman
na-eme ka egosi ka ndụ akụ na ụba na omume eji wee mmanụ ndị Enugu Ezike a wee bịa tata ka ịfụ ndị chịkọbara ya bụ ihe ọ bụrụ na unu chetara na anyị bịakwara ebe a afọ na-abụ maọbụ ịtọ gara aga wee gosi nke mbụ emere mana tata anyị sị ka anyị nweta ndị chịkọbara ya bụ ihe ka ha gwa anyị ka ha siri eme ya maazị ndewo onye nke ibe aka ihe a ga-ekwu ka anyị jụọ mmadụ maka ka anyị mata afa gị na aka itinye na mmemme a taa. Esse é o ga-eme the next one nke atọ. Ndewo. Bana ihe a na-eti.
Okay, we take 300,000 naira for being the first.
If you don't have a fan flag, no problem. I am going to flag go in a canopy. Thank you very much. Our flag on by the Yemuna identified. Amushi. Very much. Panel of judges, I hope you are very, very compliant. I hope you are very compliant. So that they can be seen very well. Because they determine what happens from far. Thank you. Thank
We are around.
Anyways, Carnival. Baruno. Alon. Alon.
there now. Stay there. If anybody they block you, you tell them. You get go shift and cameraman you do. Yes, sir.
Igboze North Local Government Council, the Executive Chairman of Igboze North Local Government Council, Honorable Engineer Michael Uchogala. You're welcome, sir. He is the chief host. Chief host, I welcome you. I welcome the member representing Igboze North 2 constituency, Honorable Kifo Dobe, and Sagacious Party Chairman, DHGP, Solomon of our guests will see. Clear the way so that they will see our rich cultural heritage. Our very rich cultural heritage. Oinina Tumba. Oinina Tumba. Clear this place. Security, help us. Help us to clear the way.
Where will be showcased a more formidable cultural carnival. May God bless all.
What do you have to say?
I don't know what to say except, first of all, to glorify God. And secondly, to glorify the people of human will come by diaspora. And the Igweze North Unity Forum, United Forum Development, both are led by Ezomogo and Ferrotex respectively. There has been a kind of anti-carnival for no just cost. Some people were moving against it. At a stage we thought it was not going to hold. But you can bear witness with me that this has been one of the best east of the Niger. And I say I glorify God. I glorify the people of Escobar who never listen to gossip. You can see there is no traditional ruler that came here today. We invited them, but at the end of the day, they decided to sabotage the system. But haven't you seen that the people spoke without being nudged to do that? Out of their own personal volition, they came in their numbers, and we unwinded. And the new year started with a kind of communalism among the people of Enugu and a sense of camaraderie. To come 2026 is going to hold, and we are still going to anchor as the photo and videographer. I want you to do very wonderful, editing and posting on time. Thank you very much. I appreciate God. I appreciate God. Thank you.
Yes, we are here with distinguished House of Assembly member representing Umozi Constituency 1. Am I not right? Yes, Honorable ATK1 Soka. That is the popular name. Please, may we have you talk to us to see how you feel about the carnival today.
Yeah, first of all, my name is Honorable Jude Ejike, the Chief Whip of the State House of Assembly, and the member representing the industrious people of the Igweze North Constituency 1, Ndozi. I feel so elated. I'm highly impressed with the momentous crowd I'm seeing here. Those who have come to witness and to celebrate the new year. It's a great thing that we have gathered today to celebrate our culture, to showcase and sell our culture to the world. So I feel so elated to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We hope to see you next year in the next version of the
I'll always be here to support our people.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Chief Dr.
Thank you very much, Chief. How would you describe this gathering?
You can see that I'm very happy. In fact, it's very joyful, to see my people, see the culture, I see everybody, I see thousands of people that are here just to come out. So it's a great thing.
your prayer wishes for the people of Enugu Ezike?
My prayer is that the peace that I've restored in this Enugu